Welcome back to part 2 of the video series on Spoken English Fluency 2.0. In the earlier part of this particular video, we had discussed why phrases are very important. We had discussed how phrases are mini grammar lessons, and you need not study as a beginner of English language. You need not study any grammar rules and regulations if you are studying phrases. If you have not watched that particular video, please do go watch that particular video, because there we talk about how learning phrases is better strategy than learning words, random words. So in the last video we had discussed 100 phrases. In this particular video we'll be discussing the 900 phrases which are very important. These are daily conversation phrases which you can practice, and this will help you immensely gain fluency and spoken English betterment over the particular period. If you keep on revising it, if you keep on repeating these particular words. This is the book from which all these phrases have been derived. If you want to buy this particular book, you can download it from the link that has been provided. If you have not liked this particular video, please do like it. If you have not commented and subscribed, please do subscribe to our channels to receive important updates from our side. We'll be moving on to the words, the phrases, and I'll be repeating it. I'll be pronouncing it for you so that you can have a better understanding of how these words are actually used and pronounced in normal parlance in daily conversations that you have. I agree 100%. Not necessarily. Awesome. Congratulations. That's great. How wonderful. I'm full. I can't afford it. I love this show. It was dirt cheap. I'm so happy for you. You have almost got it. Keep up the good work. I'm starving. It's a piece of cake. This food is delicious. I'm exhausted. Sorry, I'm late. I suppose so. She's a genius. He's very bright. She's a complete idiot. He's really dumb. No comments. Wait and see. I'm sorry, that's personal. It's none of your business. She's filthy rich. She's very wealthy. He's a natural. He's the best in the business. She's very gifted. Could you give me a minute? Be patient. I changed my mind. Good luck. Thank goodness. Lucky you. What a nice apartment. What a relief. What's wrong? I'm absolutely sure. Are you all right? You look amazing. Cheer up. I don't think so. It's fascinating. I was bored to tears. I was bored to death. What a shame. How disappointing. That's too bad. He likes it very much. How's work going? If you need help, please let me know. Let me check. Never mind. Next time. No, thank you. Of course. Okay. See you tomorrow. See you later. See you tonight. Sorry to bother you. Thanks for everything. That's too much. They are the same. Certainly. Follow me. Turn around. Turn left. Turn right. Why not? Is that okay? That's too expensive. It's really hot. Maybe. Let's go. On the left. On the right. On second floor. Where is it? Who won? Who lost? What's wrong? Are you comfortable? Can I help you? Every week, every day, every evening. Can you hold this for me? Can we have a menu, please? I understand. I agree. Which one? Cheers. Excuse me. Give me a call. I'm not feeling well. I'm allergic to seafood. I'm allergic to mushrooms. I remember. What are your hobbies? I'm not afraid. I'm fine. And you? I'm fine. Thank you. That is also how you can use this particular word. I believe you. I'm a beginner. I'm just kidding. It's not too far. Can I help you? This is repeated every week, every day, every evening. Can you hold this for me? Can we have the menu, please? I agree. I understand. Which one? Cheers. Excuse me. Give me a call. I'm sorry this has got repeated. I'm not feeling well. when this is repeated, try it on. I'm extremely sorry for the repetitions that have happened. We'll continue with the particular presentation. Try it on. Can you do me a favor? Can you help me? Don't do that. Do you smoke? Do you drink? Forget it. I don't mind. I don't think so. I trust you. That's wrong. I don't care. My stomach aches. My stomach hurts. My hand hurts. My leg hurts. Do you have a problem? Do you understand? How do you know? How is she? How is he? How is your mom? Is everything okay? Do you like to watch TV? Do you like your boss? How's the weather? How was the trip? I am ready. I have seen it. I am bored. I am tired. I am very well, thank you. I have never done that. Please wait for me. Sorry, I don't have a pencil. Sorry, I don't have a pen. Sorry, I don't have a bike. That's not enough. They are waiting for us. Call me once you get home. Call me once free. Come as soon as possible. Complete it by tomorrow. Don't be disappointed. Don't be silly. Don't criticize others. Don't get too excited. Don't hesitate to call me. Don't insult anybody. Don't interfere. Don't play games. Don't stare at me. Don't talk rubbish. Don't talk nonsense. Don't try to convince me. Don't try to impress me. Feel free to contact me. Feel free to call me. Gather all the information. Focus on your goals. Don't worry, be happy. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your dinner. Enjoy your lunch. Give me one last chance. Good luck with your exam. Good luck with your interview. Good luck with your test. Have a safe journey. Stop daydreaming. Hope to see you soon. Please calm down. Leave it to me. Leave it to me. Let's get started. Let me talk to the manager. Let's see what happens next. Don't speak loudly. Don't smoke here. Don't tell lies. Don't touch my phone. Forget that. Forgive me. Please have the seat. Please help yourselves. Keep in touch. Keep me informed. Please keep silent. Move on. Name and address, please. Never mind. Pay attention. Please accept my apologies. Please be quiet. Please call an ambulance. Please call a taxi. Please cooperate. Please don't bother. Please don't disturb me. Don't cross your limits. Leave me alone. Let me try again. Listen carefully. Make it quick. Make it fast. Please remain seated. Remind me tomorrow. Please send me the details. Please sign here. Please take care. Please take off your shoes. Try to understand. Please vacate this place. Please wait outside. Remind me after 10 minutes. Remind me tomorrow. Shut up your mouth. Stop being lazy. Stop talking behind my back. Take your time. Think before you speak. Try something different. Turn on. Turn off the lights. Turn on the lights. Turn on the music. Turn off the music. 2 coffee please. 2 tea please. 2 ice creams please. Wake me up at 5 a.m. Wake me up at 10 p.m. Wish me luck. You are welcome. Go see the doctor. Study hard. Take some rest. Never skip classes. Know your limits. Tell me the truth. I am busy now. How may I help you? How are you today? How's everyone at home? I am busy now. I am in a hurry. See you later. I am in a meeting right now. I am really sorry about that. I am proud to be an Indian. I am running out of money. I am not satisfied with your service. I am looking for a job. I am happy for both of you. I am suffering from headache. I am suffering from fever. I am waiting for your reply. I am scared of heights, spiders. I am waiting for my friend. I can't afford it. I can't bear the pain. I can't work under pressure. I couldn't believe my eyes. I didn't expect this from you. I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't mean to offend you. I don't drink coffee. I don't drink tea. I don't drink milk. I don't think so. I don't think it's a good idea. I don't want anything else. I was expecting more. I have a question for you. I have a small favor to ask you. I have forgotten the keys. I have forgotten the password. I missed you so much. I have no idea. I have some good news for you. I have waited so long. I hope you understand me. I hope you are doing well. I made this cake especially for you. I prefer tea to coffee. I quit smoking 2 months ago. I saw a movie today. I want to apologize for every time. I'll be thankful to you. I will always remember you. I will talk to you later. I will try my best. I wish you all the best. It's absolutely ridiculous. It's extremely dangerous. It's not true, it's a rumor. It's very kind of you to help me. Sorry to keep you waiting. Thank you for coming. That is a good idea. Thank you for the offer. That's all for today. The choice is yours. There is no need to worry. This is a great honor for me. This is unbelievable. We are here to help you. What a pleasant surprise. What are you good at? What is the matter with you? You're not listening to me. In a few years, when I retire, the elephant is bigger than the mouse. BMW is more expensive than Honda. I hate bugs. When I was growing up, I hate crying babies. I don't enjoy talking to my boss. I am at work. I ate spaghetti for lunch. I ate pasta for lunch. I ate my tiffin for lunch. When I was a kid, last month, last year, in a few weeks, tomorrow, next week, next month, next day, yesterday, 2 days ago, 7 years ago, an hour ago, a little bit late, last week. It's sunny, it's cloudy, it's rainy, it's hot out there, it's freezing today. I have other plans. I am busy that day. I am disappointed. I am bored. I have been waiting for hours. I am tired. I am sleepy. I am exhausted. I am depressed. This shirt is nicer than that one. Who? What? Where? When? Why? How? How many? How much? I think she's lying. Are you sure? I can't believe that. Don't tell me that. I'm having fun. It's not worth it. It's different. Me too. Slow down. That's enough. Think about it. Too bad. Watch out. Walk away. Straighten up. Speed up. Speak up. Queue up. Quiet down. Pull back. Move forward. Loosen up. Listen up. Lighten up. Chill out. Cheer up. Buzz off. Back off. Will you help me solve this problem? It's great to see you again. It's been such a long time. I hope you'll get better soon. Get well soon. You helped me a lot. Thank you. Am I interrupting? Is this a good time? Do you have a second? Can I interrupt you for a minute? No big deal. It's repelling. Such a shame. You can't be serious. It's stuffy in here. It's boiling in this car. How much does it cost? I have made up my mind. What do you recommend? What would you advise? Could you refill the glasses, please? This isn't what I ordered. It's too sugary. It's too sweet. It's too salty. This is defective. This is broken. Can you fix this while I wait? Are you hungry? Be careful. Can you give me an example? Can you recommend a good restaurant? Follow me. Here's my number. Here's your order. How do I use this? How do you know? How was the movie? How was the trip? How's business? Hurry. I remember. I wish I had one. I'll pay. I'll teach you. Let me think about it. Sorry to bother you. Not recently. Over there. Nothing else. Why not? Over here. Who's calling? How did you guess? I would like to meet Mr. Roy. I would like to meet Mrs. Roy. Let's go out, go to get, let's go get one. Sounds great. How are things at office? You have a great taste. What a small world. Make sure you have the receipt. I know how you feel. How are your wife and kids? Have fun. I forgot. I am broke. Who knows? Don't move. Come on in. Follow him. I will try. Let him in. Let him out. Once again. What's new? Don't shout. I like both. I will attend. Nobody came. Was I wrong? I can't move. Please leave. We are happy. Can you drive? Can you sing? Can you read? It's for free. Let me try. Make it quick. Open the door. Open the bottle. Open the box. Read it again. Read it aloud. Read it slowly. Can I help you? Only God knows. Where were you? We'll call if you required. We'll call you if required. I am lucky. Nobody's around. Now stop crying. Open your mouth. That isn't fair. She's a beauty. That's my fault. Power's out. Don't make noise. Have a good time. I can't remember. I don't know him or her. I don't know him. I don't know her. I have a problem. I must leave now. It's my turn. We are in a hurry. You may be right. Can I do something? He's already left. She's already left. I cried all night. I haven't met him. I haven't met her. Tell me the truth. Who made this cake? Who made this pie? Yes, that's right. Come along with us. Do you remember me? Don't give up hope. Everyone likes her. Everyone likes him. I admit my mistake. I can't believe it. I still don't know. It is already dark. It was sort of fun. Let me handle this. That guy annoys me. The power went out. We enjoyed the movie. We enjoyed the pastry. We are in a hurry. We are good friends. Answer my questions. I feel lonely. Get well soon. I do not understand. I forgot to ask him. I want to marry her. I want you to win. I want you to study. I want you to fight. I have lost my tickets. I have lost my wallet. This is what I need. Watch your tongue. Watch your language. Forgive me. Don't worry about us. He's in poor health. She's in poor health. He made up an excuse. I agree with your idea. I am counting on you. I don't mind waiting. I expect him to come. I think you are right. I will come with you. I have made a decision. It was an easy victory. Let me drop you home. Please do it quickly. Do you believe in God? Don't be disappointed. He accepted the offer. I am grateful to them. I am poor at swimming. I am poor at driving. I have made him angry. Make yourself at home. Close the door after you. She asked me for help. Sit wherever you like. Tell me what happened. They hated each other. They shouted for help. We accepted his offer. We rested for a while. It must be going. I must be going. What is this nonsense? Don't ask me for money. Don't make fun of them. He robbed me. He will be back soon. I want to it myself. I quit. I am longing to see him. I was thinking about you. It is difficult for me. That's a good question. That's weird. The sooner the better. They will be glad to know. We often make mistakes. We have plenty of time. You have a good memory. I do not have that much time. I fell in love with her. I wish I could help you. Is that what you wanted? Show me an example. This is why I came back. Choose between these two. Did you tell me anything? He is very fond of music. He is very fond of chocolates. He will not listen to me. I beg to differ with you. I can't stand it anymore. I will explain it to her. I will never do it again. I am going to take a shower. I am going to take a bath. It's not healthy. The food's not ready. The road is very narrow. What are you looking for? What happened last night? When are you coming back? Yes, I like it very much. Do you believe in ghosts? His opinions are worthless. Have you been there before? He's hesitated. He hesitated for a moment. He taught me how to write. He was afraid to go there. He's sleeping like a baby. I can't make it this time. I like the way she smiles. I like the way she walks. I am disappointed with you. I am interested. It is difficult. May I ask a few questions? She did it all by herself. We felt sorry for Tony. We regard him our hero. We are here to protect you. What a what a lucky person he is. Would you mind if I smoke? Do you have an appointment? Don't fail to call me back. He's always late for class. I had to decline their offer. He's a good for nothing lad. She knew the story already. She suddenly became famous. Take good care of yourself. That's a really good idea. Why don't you listen to me? Why are you complaining? You are always on the wrong bus. You are on the wrong bus. Bring your friend the next time. Everyone felt sorry for him. He explained it to me. He treats me like a servant. I accompanied her to the house. It was too difficult for me. It's like a dream come true. Thank God for the other day. He's good at making friends. I'm pleased with the results. I mentioned your name. It's no use arguing with her. It's no use arguing with him. Won't you join us for dinner? Can you teach me how to sing? I'm sorry if I disturbed you. I have no idea how this happened. I have not seen him in months. I will be pleased to help you. She thought for a few minutes. This rule applies to you too. We were surprised by the news. I was laughed at. His behavior is very odd. I must have left it on the table. We are sorry we can't help you. You owe me an apology for that. You should have listened to us. All the students look up to him. Believe it or not, that's the truth. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. I am going to tell you something. Please wait here till he comes. Hurry up or you will miss the bus. I didn't know what to say. I have an important call to make. I would like to have a word with you. Leave the cooking to me. Don't be crazy. Send me a reminder. Need help? Save me a seat. Who would have thought it? I know. I can bear that. It would be fun. I feel great. What a relief. Enjoy life. So do I. Let's not overdo it. Let's not overdo it. No more, no less. Nothing for me, please. It's around the corner. I look forward to meeting her. I don't know what the job entails. Plan something. In case my schedule permits, you are welcome. Don't tempt me. I am done with my homework. I want to see how it tastes. In the meantime, to the best of my knowledge, don't stress. What's up? How clumsy. Have you thought about it? Who says that? I do not see anything wrong with it. I'll finish it in no time. Weigh the various options you have. Work full time. Cut down on your sugar intake. Start the process and finish it. It's beyond my reach. That could solve your problem. It's my turn to respond. Take a look. Take a look the new invite. Pass the salt, please. Would you mind if? Maybe some other time. What would you recommend? That would be awesome. I need to work on that question. It's good to see you. Same here. It's been a long time since we met. Heavy work schedule. Do your homework first. It'll give a bad expression. Good decision. You look well prepared. I need to run. As soon as possible. Work hard. On a daily basis. I am willing to do it. I don't mind. I can handle the situation. Welcome aboard. I am glad I could be of assistance. Leave him on his own. What can I do for you? Where do you want to start? Make sure it's correct every time. That makes sense. It pays to make friends. I'm glad for you. You will do fine. It's not quite the same. If the need arises, call me. Put in extra efforts. Set yourself as an example. How do you deal with bad people? It is the reason why I'm here. Don't let bad results affect you. It makes no sense. I'm still considering the idea. You have to hold hold people's attention. You have to hold people's attention. Think positive. You are absolutely right. I'm so nervous. Take a break. I'm done for the day. He puts a lot of emphasis on this. Do you have free time? My mind is completely blank. That's very kind of you. That is exactly what we wanted. I'm very fond of you as a friend. What are you afraid of? We have a car waiting outside. I don't think he will win this time. Good heavens. Never do that. Look at me. Don't worry about it. Disgraceful. Shut up. Don't be silly. I'm sorry to interrupt you. Go downstairs. Go upstairs. What's new? Damn. What have you been up to lately? How's life? Same as always. Can't complain. I can't help you there. I have been wondering that too. I have never given it much thought. Not necessarily. Poor you. It's obvious. Have you been experiencing too? Has that been your experience too? Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Has that ever happened to you? Sorry for taking up so much of your time. I had a great time talking to you. I totally agree. That's pretty common. Alright, guys, time for me to go. What is the best drink here? Do you have a recommendation? Enjoy your pasta. Have a good meal. I had a wonderful time. Have you been following the series? Who is to blame for this accident? What was the motive behind this? You must get rid of this bad habit. He will never realize his mistakes. Neither did I. I can't put up with his arrogance. I don't like being made a fool of. Let me give you a piece of advice. Observe the speed limits. You have got nothing to complain. He keep us waiting. It is more difficult than you think. Wait for some time. I'm not getting enough sleep these days. He has a bright future. I work well under pressure. I'm a very organized person. How interesting. I would like to remind you that. If you have any further questions, we would be delighted to host you. I was wondering of you. Be careful with your money. With all due respect, can I make a suggestion? I will bear that in mind. Perhaps we could explore more ideas. Help me make up my mind. Let's decide soon. I'm so happy this week. I just heard the story. What a fantastic idea. Trust me. What a small world. Is there anything else? Perfect. I will take it. Would you like to try it on? We just missed it. No, not at all. That's very kind of you. I just want to relax. I'm looking forward to a great weekend. Good point. It's it's very unfortunate. What's the matter? See you later. That's fine. No thanks, I can manage. What's the occasion? I'm all ears. How about the rest? We'll do our best to help you. That's quite a lot to remember. You must learn to hold your tongue. Learn to live peacefully with her. She was watchful as a wife. Don't follow the rules and regulations. Don't mess things up. You have to take a stand sometimes. You are in charge. Don't get upset. Accept new ideas. Think about others. Be careful and alert. Don't harbor bad feelings. Ask your heart. Don't be obsessed with looks. Be open. Forget the past. You will pay the price one day. Don't behave senselessly. You will face the consequences. You are being too ambitious. Don't take undue advantage. Shut your mouth. Your reputation will be badly affected. I hope you won't disclose the truth. Don't get upset over minor things. Don't give me crap. Don't pass the buck. Own up and take responsibility. Please include me in the plans. I'm losing patience. Be in the now. Live in the moment. No pain, no gain. Do it with love. Follow your heart. Never stop dreaming. Keep moving forward. This too shall pass. Every moment matters. Nothing lasts forever. Work hard, study humble. Enjoy the little things. The best is yet to come. Shine like the stars. Don't raise your voice. Improve your argument. You are not enough. Nobody is perfect. Be better. Count your blessings. Every moment matters. See the good. Be fearless. Dream it. Believe it. Achieve it. Be brave. Take the risks. Kill them with success. Be the change you wish to see. Be good to others. Strive for progress, not perfection. Be so good they can't ignore you. Don't compromise. Live, laugh, love. Make each day your masterpiece. Choose kindness and smile often. Life is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy it all. Create your own sunshine. Expect nothing. Appreciate everything. The obstacle is the path. Stars cannot shine without darkness. Difficult road leads to beautiful places. With that, we have reached the end of this particular presentation and have completed 900 phrases. And as I told you, that phrases are much more important compared to memorizing the individual words. So I would request you to repeat these phrases, keep on listening to this particular video on a loop, so that these phrases get permanently etched into your subconscious mind. And once that happens, your English fluency, your spoken English skills will automatically see a jump. That's all from me, Amit Kumar Mehta. I would like you to like, subscribe and comment on the video. Thank you so much.